What's up? Danny Hayasaka here, and I have a ton of cool tech in my home office, but one of the coolest things that I've picked up recently is this JPL DND-1000S Bluetooth Do Not Disturb status light. Check it out. Now, I've already unboxed this, and I just wanted to show you though what the components are in the box. If you do get it, like I said, I've already unboxed it, I already have it set up, but I just wanted to show you that you get the little DND disc, you get the little Bluetooth dongle, you're going to get the USB charging cable, as well as a universal mount. So this is basically like a webcam mount. You can set this up on your monitor there, or you have this little disc cradle for desk, monitor, and wall mounting. And so I currently have this attached to the outside of my home office so my wife can very easily see if I'm busy or not. So after you charge it, you want to go ahead and plug in your dongle into your computer, and then you want to make sure that it's up to date. So you can click the device updates, and you can see that I'm up to date. And so I'm going to go back into my device settings here. And so here you notice I currently have it set to manual, so I can manually make the adjustments. But you can also check the battery level. You can use this to start pairing or cancel the pairing. You can adjust the brightness of the light from low, middle, or high. And you also have the option to adjust the different ringtones. So you can kind of play around with the various ringtones here. You can also adjust the volume from high, middle, or you can mute it. And here is where it gets kind of cool, because you can have it off, or you can make it green. You can make it red. I don't know why it's looking so funky on this video, because it's literally red, blue. And so you can have maybe a secret code that you have with your wife, and you can say, oh, if it's blue, it means this. You know, if it's purple, it means this, or orange. You have yellow, and then you also have pink. You can also set it to mimic your team's presence. And so let's go into the teams. All right, so currently I have it set to offline, but if I change it to available, you'll see that it'll light green. If I set it to busy, it'll go red. The same with do not disturb. If I put it on do not disturb, it'll stay, oh, actually look at that, turn, oh, purple, because I'm in teams. And then I can turn it to be right back, and it'll go to yellow. The same with appear away. So if I go appear away, it'll also be yellow. Say appear offline, and it'll just shut it off. Like I mentioned earlier, you can mount this on top of your monitor, but where it's more convenient for me and my wife is right outside my door. So check it out. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining pretty heavily here in Florida. But yeah, you take this little guy right here, and you just set it right in this little holder there, and then you can light it up. Check it out. So when my wife walks out of her office, she can walk over, heading to my office. You can clearly see that I'm available, so she can come in and not worry about whether or not she's going to disturb me. I have tons of fantastic technology here in my office, and this little JPL DND Do Not Disturb busy light or status light is one of the best pieces of technology that I've received in a long time. And so if you want to check it out, you can go to their website. I'll include a link to that in the description box below. It's TAA compliant, and I think it's only like 81 bucks or something on their website. Again, I'll include a link to that. If you have any other questions about this, reach out to an authorized JPL reseller anywhere in the world. Again, you can check that out on their website to see who's an authorized reseller for JPL. But if you like this type of content, reach out to me. All my contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.